My name is Anam Palla. I started with Bellanama in July 2010, and it's been a great opportunity for me for my work to be present at The Verve, and I hope that this would give me the opportunity to reach out to a larger audience and to take my work to a much larger step ahead. Bellanama, it started in July. We started making simple accessories for young girls, especially young girls, school-going girls who like to have a different style statement, who have a more aspirational lifestyle. So we started with accessories that were not available already. So something which is different, so that you can create your own unique style statement. We started with an offline exhibition and then we moved to online. Our online activities have mainly focused on Facebook, and the response has been amazing, mashallah. By now we have around 700 to 800 members, and we're obviously looking forward to much more in the next 1 year coming up. We've come up with a lot of products. The latest exhibition that we had denim notebooks, which was featured at IBA also. Okay, our line of accessories consists of fashion accessories, in which currently we've focused mainly on hand accessories like bangles and hair accessories like hairbands and hair clips. The reason has been that these are the things that are most demanded by people, especially girls, young women, even working women. So we want to take that forward much more and bring out a much larger set of accessories that can be customized according to their needs. The size, the colors, the designs are all customized according to what our customers want. Secondly, we have also focused on accessories that people can carry. Like I said, the notebooks. We've had keychains, we've had marks. Furthermore, we are looking at accessories that people can keep in their house, and we're looking at cushion covers, beddings, things to keep in their rooms and decorate stuff. So that is something which is in the pipeline that would inshallah come in the coming years. The primary edge that we have is that the products that we're offering, we're customizing it for our customers. Currently, whatever accessories you go for, firstly, you do not get to choose the sort of color that you want. You have to choose from the sizes and the colors which are already available. So here we have an advantage. Secondly, a lot of the accessories that we've been offering are something that have not been available, not only in Pakistan but even throughout the world. I talked about our denim notebooks before also. We searched online a lot to see what sort of products were already available, and we were really happy that the product that we were offering was something not already in the market. So if you're offering people something which is not there, it gives you an edge automatically, because people out here, we have a certain population which is looking for products which is not available anywhere. So, and that is what differentiates us from the other brands that you have for accessories. I see Bellanama as a growing business, having a very strong online presence. So I see Bellanama in the next 3 years as being probably the leading brand in Pakistan, providing online sales. After that, I do imagine Bellanama as having a store out there in Karachi and then inshallah in all over Pakistan. But I would like to take it a little slow because I'm just graduating right now also. So I see myself as working, getting some experience, and then applying that experience simultaneously to Bellanama and taking it forward inshallah ultimately to a Bellanama store in Pakistan.